Day 43 and 44, week 7, grand project. Yeah, I've been busy with packing stuff because we're moving down to Florida until end of May, and I got an exception to work remotely. So, and we have a lot of updates over here in Graham as well. Our listing agent took a look at the project and she likes pretty much everything. Let me show you what's inside now. All right, so we're doing the same thing as we did in Pine Frost. So the hardwood is dark walnut, and then the baseboard's gonna be simply white. I forgot the name of the wall paint because we painted it a while ago, but the ceiling would be simply white by Benjamin Moore, and the doors also simply white by Benjamin Moore. So got same thing over here. So this is the first coat of the stain. We still have to work on the imperfections. This one is without clear, and this one is with the clear. All right, so the backsplash is on. It looks good. We did it vertically and all the way up. It's about 16-inch. All right, so the spackling is done with this wall. It looks good. We got 2 drywalls, double drywalls, and then edges here. Just gotta do spackling work over there. Over there is done. Some cosmetic stuff here. It's gonna look great once it's done. Day 45, week 7, grand project. All right, so all the cabinets are up except the wall bridge for the fridge. So this is how it looks like now. So we're gonna have pendant light for the island. We're gonna move this light to here. Hopefully we'll have enough light over here, and we're gonna put better light over there. Probably just bigger watt, higher watt, and did some spackling here. So this one needs to be done, and we got some hardwood over here, transition, I would say, and then air vents. Same here, and all the doors are being painted. They look great. The lighting is a little bit off, so I'm not happy with this place, but it's trying right now. So same thing over here. Looks good. I'll come back, check it out tomorrow. So this is basically it. It looks like this against the dark walnut. Day 46, week 7, grand project. All right, so this is how the floor looks like with one coat of dark walnut. So we're gonna do 2 coats and then clear on top. So we got some spots where the stain actually was absorbed more. So that's usually in the high traffic areas like this. And then over here is on the edges, I would say, a little less traffic. So that's why a little less damage and less absorption. I got the correct word. So this is how the difference looks like between against each other, let's say. It's drying up here. So put the correct microwave over here. All the fillers are up. Everything is here. Gotta make sure we got enough clearance here. That looks good. We have to put. We have to buy 26-inch height fillers. So the filler over here is good. It's gonna be symmetrical to this side. Day 47, week 7, grand project. It's a moving day. We're moving down to Florida, Tampa. So just checking in to see what's going on in Graham and to finalize all the steps that we have to finish this week. Alright, so this is how it looks like. I actually like the two-tone. You know, could have done the two-tone. That could have looked way better. Yeah, that would have looked way better, I would say, yeah. Alright, so we got wrought iron. I think looks good. I like it. Alright, so painting the window trims. Looks good. Alright, so got open space like this. Looks way better. Looks way better.